check out this 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1990 Chevy Blazer. 350 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. As you can see, cowl hood has been added. Newer paint scheme with the two-tone smoke gray and burgundy. Let's take a look at this front chrome grille. An ever popular body style, no doubt about that. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures at. XD series aftermarket wheels, great look on this Blazer. And you can see the panels are nice and straight. This is actually an Arkansas vehicle for most of its life before coming to Iowa. So it started out as a southern vehicle. Take a look around the wheel wells, down the lower rockers, side exit exhaust on both sides, rear wheel wells. Interior cloth, red interior, bucket seats. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check it out a little closer, start it up. Of course, the second row seating area as well, removable rear top. This is a power glass window in the back, switch on the dash, or keyhole on the rear tailgate. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, towing package. And once again, take a look at the undersides, interior, engine bay, still pictures, all at UniqueClassicCars.com as we take a look down the driver's side. Those panels nice and straight also. Some few minor rock chips, looks like, from the wheels kicking up a little bit. Let's get around the wheel wells. Lower rockers. Take a little closer look at this interior. All right, so power windows, power locks. Door panels, nice shape. Carpeting, you'll be able to see the carpeting in the still pictures under the floor mats, also in nice shape. Now, this is one of those colors that if I get right up on top of it, it wants to wash it out. That's a nice, brighter red. If I get back around here, there's the true color of the interior right there. Just so you know, sometimes with the camera, video, pictures, get right on top of it, wants to wash it out. Top of the dash. Looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There we go. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to have moved. Oil pressure. Looks good, voltmeter. Odometer says 132, can't confirm or deny the miles once the vehicle is a certain age. It is just marked exempt in the title. Here's a trailering brake package here. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo. I mentioned power steering, power brakes, and AC. Original AC truck. Everything seems to be intact. We'll pop the hood in a bit. Compressor kicks on and off. May need a charge is what the tech stated when this went through the inspection. We'll look under the hood in just a bit here. Headliner looks good, and of course the rear. You'll be able to see the rear seats a lot better in the still pictures, so feel free to take a look at those. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes. A nice sounding truck. Again, 350 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get around to the front, pop this hood, check out that engine bay. There's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean. Tidy engine bay. There it is. Headers. Once again, power steering, Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Also, 1990 Chevrolet Blazer 4x4. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Included in the purchase price may be extendable up to 10 years. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1990 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. This is a 4-wheel drive, automatic on the column. The air conditioning is blowing cold in this truck. Very nice. Our blinker indicators are working. Our temperature gauge is working. It's warming up close to 130 right now. Oil pressure over 40. And the battery gauge is over 13. We have a Kenwood aftermarket stereo mounted. It works well, except it seems to need an antenna. It will barely pick up an FM station. Center storage between the factory bucket seats here. Very nice interior. Burgundy interior. Burgundy on the outside as well. Letting go of the wheel. This truck stays straight in the lane. This truck's easy to steer. Brakes are working well. We have a nice cowl induction hood on this truck.